GTX that we're building. This is the project that got started right after that Mustang you last saw. This project is a little bit more involved of a project. So basically this car started out as, again, just like that Mustang. It was just a driver. Guy bought it, didn't like the way it drove. It was an old 4-speed manual and an old 3v3, and it was just worn out and tired. It was leaking everywhere. And he's like, you know what, I want to build my dream car. He has a Hellcat, he has a few other cars, and he's like, I just want to make this one up to par. I want to build it once, and I don't want to have to do it again. After it got media blasted, it was very rough, and the car actually, to skip to the plan, this car, right now, we're getting ready to epoxy prime it, but after that, the car is leaving and it's going to Illinois to Roadster Shop, and they're going to cut the car completely apart and build a custom chassis from front to rear. The end result for this car is going to be black on black on black. It's going to be black interior, black stripes. It's going to be slammed on the ground on airbags. It's going to be on Forge Line 20-inch wheels, bare brakes. It's going to have independent rear suspension, tubular front suspension. None of this will be here, so actually the front of the car will be cut off here, and none of this is going to be used. It's going to be custom fabricated inner fenders, custom fabricated radiator support, and a brand new firewall. We're going to end up hiding all of the wiring, all of the wiper motor. The master cylinder will still be there, but it'll be a modern master cylinder, so that way when you open the hood, you're just going to see crazy sheet metal work. The awesome bare master cylinder is going to match the color of the calipers, and the big massive 526 cubic inch Hemi. This is our engine block for the 70 GTX build. This is the start of what's going to be a 526 cubic inch, 650 horsepower naturally aspirated Hemi. It's going to run on straight pump gas. It's going to be streetable and street ready. It's going to have scat internals, so scat crank and scat rods. So it's going to have diamond pistons, Edelbrock aluminum heads, intake still to be determined, but it's a Bulldog cast iron block. It's the best of the best. It's going to be quite the animal when it's all done. We're keeping the manual, so we're going to go to a 5-speed Tremec. So that's going to be a 5-speed Tremec. The dash is going to be fully custom. It's going to run some classic instruments, custom gauges. It's going to be a full audio, JL audio system, have a sub box in the back and upgraded speakers throughout. It's going to be full custom leather interior from Showroom Upholstery. They're going to help us out there. It'll be suede and leather. It's going to have all of the new tech features, including keyless entry, remote start, lock unlock, electric trunk release. So on this part of the car, the only thing that's going to look the same are the quarters and the exterior sheet metal. All in here, the trunk floor, the wheel tubs, the rear panel, that's all going to be changed. So it's all going to be all fabricated sheet metal. It's going to be large wheel tubs that fit a 13-inch wide rear wheel and a 345 tire. This rear deck filler piece will be all fabricated to mount the bumpers on. The bumpers will be tucked in and shaved and delete the bumper bolts. They'll be re-chromed. We're aiming for 2021 completion for SEMA on this one, but it's a big project, but take some time and we'll get it done.